Welcome to Neuroscience Theory, where we discuss everything to do with your mind and how to tap into your own potential. A team of Russian scientists studied the effects of mental training and physical training on Olympic athletes to see how well they would perform in the Olympics. The scientists placed the athletes into 4 groups. The first group did only physical exercise. The second group did mostly physical with some mental exercise. The third group did the same amount of physical and mental exercise. The fourth group did mostly mental exercise with just a little bit of physical exercise. How well do you think each group performed? As it turns out, the fourth group performed the best, followed by the third, second, and first. So the more mental training an athlete had, the better performance they had in the Olympics. But how do you train your mind? One of the ways you can train your mind is through mental rehearsal. Although there are many, we're going to go through 3 types, which is imagery, observation, and self-talk. We're going to use basketball as an example. Imagery is visualizing from your point of view and using your mind's eye to practice shooting free throws. Observation would be watching someone perform a task you wish to accomplish, or watching a video recording of you performing the task. Self-talk can be motivational and instructional. Instructional would be like me guiding myself through an exercise, so telling myself, I'm going to jump, then shoot at the basket. Motivational self-talk psychs yourself up and gets you ready to complete the task, and helps you gain self-confidence and self-belief in order to do it. Take Muhammad Ali for example. He told himself that he was the greatest, and he was the greatest. His mindset was able to help him win the fight before it even started with his opponent. This is why champions are made outside of the ring and not inside of the ring. Future playing is also a great mental strategy. A wonderful quote by Wayne Gretzky says, "A good hockey player knows where the hockey puck is. A great hockey player knows where the hockey puck is going to be. So know where the hockey puck is going to be." Here's another study about visualizing using the piano. A team of researchers asked one group to play the piano and then asked another group to think about playing the piano. When they placed them under a scanner, they found that both parts of the brain lit up, receiving nearly the same benefits as actually playing the piano. Here's a study about working out. The first group actually worked out for 3 hours a week, and the second group did the same workout that they did, but in their mind. They just pretended to work out and thought about it. The third group was just a control group, which didn't actually work out, nor did they think about working out. They found at the end of 2 weeks that the people that actually worked out gained 28% muscle mass. But did you know that the people that thought about working out, they earned 24% muscle mass, just 4% less. So the next time someone asks you to go to the gym, tell them that you'll think about it. And know that no pain equals huge gains. If you liked this episode or it helped you, please help me out by subscribing to my channel and seeing more of these videos every week. Thank you so much and have a great day.